college calculus. We will continue today calculating limits using the limit law. Remember, we already show you all limits law. Okay, so now we focus on solve some problems. In this case, we have this problem here. Find the limit of a square root of t to the second power plus 9 minus 3 divided by t to the second power when t is approaching to 0. Okay, before to solve our problem, let me remember some ideas. Here we cannot apply here. We cannot apply the quotient law. Remember, in law. All right. Immediately. So immediately. So since the limit of the numerator is 0. All right. So here, the preliminary algebra consists of rationalizing the numerator. All right, so then let's go do it. So how just start the whole process here. So then we will have limit here, limit of a square root of t to the second power plus 9 minus 3. All right. When divided by t to the second power when t approach to 0. We will have this will be equals a limit. So limit, remember the concept that I wrote before, rationalizing this t to the second power plus 9 minus 3 divided by t to the second power when t approach to 0. So times, okay, here, t, second power plus 9 minus 3, divided by, here, the square root to the second, t to the second power, plus 9, plus, here is plus 3, all right? Here is minus, over there is plus, okay? So now, so this will be equals, here, let's write limit of here t to the second power plus 9 minus 9. So divided by t to the second power times square root t to the second power plus 9 plus 3. All right. Like that. Oh yeah, when t approach to 0. Okay. So now this is will be equals let me write another color here. So this is will be equals limit again of here. We have to write t to the second power. You simplify t to the second power divided by t to the second power times a square root over t to the second power plus 9 plus 9. Okay, here when t approach to 0. All right. So now next step will be equals limit of here in this case will be equals 1. 1, all right? 1 divided by square root of t to the second power plus 9 plus 3, all right? Here is plus 9 plus 3, okay, plus 3, yeah. So t is when t approaches 0, right? So next step here will be equals here, so we'll continue right here, equals, here will be equals 1, yeah, divided by square root, all the way here, limit when t approaches to 0 here, everything together times t to the second power here plus 9, I mean times plus 3, all right? So finally the solution, the conclusion is will be equals 1 divided by 3 plus 3, right? If you simplify, it will be 1 equals 1/6, right? This is our answer, 1/6, okay? So just apply the limits, limits law. So this is just solve the problem, just practice, okay? Thank you so much.